Jacob, thanks. Now turning to the latest on the coronavirus outbreak at Baystate Medical Center. Western Mass News has learned that more employees and a patient have tested positive for the virus.
Western Mass News reporter Sarah Guernelli spoke with the president and CEO of the hospital to see what protocols they're now putting in place, and she joins us live in Springfield with more on that. Sarah.
Jordan, Chris, we've learned one more patient and 3 more employees have tested positive for the coronavirus. Now that means there are 40 more people that have tested positive for COVID-19. That includes 14 patients and 26 employees. Now, Western Mass News spoke with the president and CEO of Baystate Health, Dr. Mark Keroack. He says the outbreak is contained. He says the hospital is now reinforcing all policies around face masks and social distancing. They've also put in place a new travel policy that is consistent with the governor's mandate on quarantine for 2 weeks after traveling to hotspot states or getting a COVID-19 test. Dr. Keroack says he is very proud of his employees in the hospital that have been working through the pandemic. He says there are people who simply have just made a mistake.
We've taken care of over 1,000 patients with COVID infections since March and have had no transmissions until now. I think that this was, it was a lapse. I think that people that it was a brief period where people got complacent.
So this outbreak started when an employee came back to work from traveling from another state that was considered a hot spot. Other employees were found in the break rooms without masks while also not properly social distancing. Those employees, however, will not face any consequences. Now, Dr. Keroack says they're making more spaces available in the hospital for break rooms. That way employees have more space. Live in Springfield, I'm Sarah Guernelli for Western Mass News.